Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete recommended people and messages in Facebook Messenger application. Please friends, put your likes under this video. Be sure to write your comments after watching and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So friends, let's get started. And now I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. First of all, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. If you want to find a person, write a message to them, you need to tap on this sign on the top right. As you can see, this will bring up a list of people from Facebook Messenger that are recommended to you, maybe your friends. And let's say you don't want to see any of the people on this list. How you remove them from that list? To do that, you will need to click on the three bars on the top left side. Then please click on the gear to go to Settings. And then select Privacy. And here you can find an option called Hidden Contacts. And in order to add some people to Hidden Contacts, you will have to click on the word Add on the right side at the top. And you can find any person that you would like to hide from this kind of search list. Click on it and confirm your action. So as you can see, this contact is already in the hidden list. And so one contact at a time, you need to hide all the people you don't want. Because, unfortunately, Messenger doesn't allow you to select and hide more than one person at a time. So this is the method, friends. You will be able to delete recommended people and messages in your Facebook Messenger app. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please give your likes and also write your comments and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.